Hi everyone! If you want to save time, boost your creativity, or make your work easier, AI tools are your best friend. Today, I'll show you 3 amazing and completely free AI tools that can help with writing, videos, presentations, and more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. First is ChatGPT by OpenAI. It can help you write emails, generate ideas, explain concepts, or even create content. Just type your question and it gives you answers in seconds. Let me show you a quick example. Open any browser and enter chat.openai.com in search bar and click on Enter button. Now log in with your Gmail account. Now enter any prompt in the message box. For example, I'm giving "Give me small script for a short video in YouTube" and click on Enter button. You can see it gives you complete process about how you can do it. Not only for this, you can use ChatGPT for various things. I already done a detailed video about how to use ChatGPT. Go and watch that video if you're interested. Second one, Pictory, an AI tool that turns text into engaging videos. Perfect for YouTube shorts, social media posts, or simple explainer videos. Just paste your script, and it creates a video with visuals, text, and music. Now let's see how this thing works. Open browser and type Pictory and click on Enter button. Now select the first link. Now try to log in with your Gmail account. Now click on Text to Video. New page opens. Now you have to enter your script of your video. Or if you don't have any script, you can take help of the ChatGPT to make a script for you. In this video, I'm also taking help from ChatGPT and paste the script which it provided me. Now click on the Proceed button. You can see your video gets prepared. Not only this, you can do much more using this AI tool. Comment down full video. I will make a full video on this. Third one, Quillbot. It helps you rewrite text, improve grammar, or summarize long content. If you're writing essays or blogs, this tool can polish your work quickly. Now let's see a quick look on this. Open a browser and type Quillbot and click on Enter button. Now select the first link. Now try to log in with your Gmail account. Now start entering sentences or paste the sentences. It will automatically make changes to your texts, which has grammar mistakes or many more. And that's it. Hope you liked our video. For more videos, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.